Ciao, dear hearts. I know it's been a long time since I've done anything in the studio as far as doing a video, but so I thought I would share with you this little book that I'm creating. People have been asking me for books again, so I decided to start making them. And so I am going to put this lace on here. And in order to do that, I have to stitch through the board, which I've covered with paper, stitch through there, and then I'm going to have to stitch this on. And to do that, I'm going to have to put a little crease in it, so I remember to stitch only the edge so that I leave space, so that when I open up the book, it will be, it'll bend with the book. Otherwise, it's going to just rip right through. So I punched through the cardboard, actually, it's a book board, into so that I can make the holes with my awl and my hammer. And then I'm using a waxed thread to tie it off with. And as you can see, creasing the fabric really helps you keep that so that there's no tension. It's not going to rip out of there. So I thought you might want to see it. Ciao for now.